morning to all. Today we will discuss the question answer of lesson number 1, the thief's story. There are mainly 10 questions in C and D section. First question, who was Hari Singh? Hari Singh कौन था? Hari Singh was a boy of 15 years. He was a thief and he was very expert in his work. He also used flattery words for catching his victim. This is the question number 1. Why did Anil dislike the first meal cooked by Hari Singh? Anil disliked the first meal cooked by Hari Singh because the meal was terrible. It didn't have any kind of taste. It was given to the stray dogs. Hari Singh did not know how to cook food. Third question, how did Hari Singh feel while working for Anil? Hari Singh felt very pleasant, very happy while working for Anil because he was giving him education. He was teaching him how to add the numbers, how to make the sentence. Okay. Fourth question, how did Hari Singh make a profit for himself? Every day, Hari Singh made a profit of 1 rupee for himself by daily shopping. Whenever he went to the market for supply, he used his trick and made the profit of 1 rupees every day. Next question, how did Hari Singh steal money? One day, Anil got some money around 600 rupees and he kept the money under his mattresses. At night, Anil Singh decided to steal the money and he, without making any noise, he drew out the money. Next question, why did Hari Singh not stop at the ticket office? Hari Singh did not stop at the ticket office because he never bought ticket in his whole life. He always traveled without ticket because he was a thief. Why was it difficult to rob Anil? Anil को लूटना क्यों मुश्किल था? It was difficult to rob Anil because he was a careless person and he would not get the knowledge about the stealing and it would take out the pleasure of the work. What study of men's faces had been made by Hari Singh? Hari Singh in his short career had made the study of men's faces. After being robbed, he had noticed that after being robbed, a greedy man shows fear, a rich man shows anger, and a poor man shows acceptance. Anil was the most trusting person discussed. Anil ऐसा पर्सन था हरि सिंह के पूरे करियर में जो सबसे ट्रस्टिंग हो. Yes, Anil was the most trusting person. He kept Hari Singh as a servant at his house. He also had given a different key of the house to Hari Singh and he was also teaching him how to add the numbers and how to make the sentence. Why did Hari Singh think that he should go back to Anil? After stealing the money, Hari Singh ran away from there and he decided to catch the Lucknow Express. But when he reached at the station, his inner voice called him and his inner voice gave him an example to improve himself and Hari Singh decided to improve his mistake, to correct his mistake. He did not get the train and he decided to return to Anil because there was only one person in that city that was acquaintance of Hari Singh. Okay, that's all. These 10 questions आपको complete करना है. Have a nice day.